Hello and welcome back to the channel. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. In a previous video we did an unboxing, basic setup and basic review of the Thompson Streaming Box Plus 270. And in our opinion found it to be even better and more user-friendly than the Amazon Fire Stick. If you did not see that video, it is linked at the top of the screen right now and also in the video description. One of the minor issues we found was that although the Thompson Streaming Box was set up for the UK, it did not have the BBC iPlayer available. Other UK TV online services like ITVX and Channel 4 were available, but BBC iPlayer was not available in the Google Play Store for this Thompson Streaming Box. So in today's video we shall show you how to install BBC iPlayer on this Thompson Streaming Box, or indeed any other Android or Fire TV device, when the app is not available in the Google Play Store. So let's crack on. We are going to use another app that is in the Google Play Store that allows us to install apps that are not available in the Google Play Store. This process is called sideloading, but also incorrectly known as jailbreaking. First we use the search tool to look for the app called Downloader. We click and install the Downloader app. Within the Downloader app, we type in the number 1231084. That will take you to our downloads page on our website. Scroll down until you see the BBC iPlayer logo. Click on the logo. The app will start to download. When the download has finished, click on Install. If you get a security warning, go to Settings and turn on the option to install unknown apps. Press on Install. Press Done, then press the back button. Select Delete and delete again to remove the downloaded file that we no longer need. Then press your Home button. In your list of apps, you should now see the icon for BBC iPlayer. Open it up. Sign in using your free BBC account. And we can watch live BBC channels. If using this streaming box from outside the UK, you will obviously need a VPN to hide the fact you are trying to access UK-only content from the UK. We find that NordVPN is a good and reliable option for this. We have a link for you at the top of the screen and in the description. And that is how you set up BBC iPlayer on an Android box when it is not available to you via the Google Play Store. If you've got questions, drop it in the comments below. And remember to hit that like, subscribe, and the notification bell to keep up to date with future video releases. Thanks for watching and I shall see you in the next video.